DocOrigin, meeting the document output needs of every industry. No matter what type of business you are running, documents play a crucial role in your operations. They are used to pay your employees, purchase materials, invoice customers, label products, provide terms and conditions, and more. And they need to be distributed via mail, email, and on demand. So why not use a solution that is trusted by the leaders in every industry? DocOrigin is the embedded document technology behind some of the most advanced business solutions for telecommunications, insurance, manufacturing, healthcare, banking, and government. DocOrigin was built by the creators of Adobe Central Output, encompassing the speed and reliability you expect, along with the most innovative features on the market today. DocOrigin offers solutions that fit any business, any size, any industry. Our customers include some of the biggest companies, such as AT&T, Hella, 3M, Konica Minolta, and McKesson. A study by InfoTrend showed that your transactional documents are read by 90% of your recipients, thus making them an ideal vehicle for delivering relevant marketing or messaging. You can create and manage data-driven campaigns to upsell products and services or notify recipients of critical information. Let's look at a few examples. You can insert targeted ads based on any information, such as customers' purchases, industry, region, and dates. DocOrigin allows you to dynamically switch contact information, logo variations, or even color schemes. Or enhance your documents with color-coded charts to show them if they are within their plan. Change the look and feel of a campaign by changing the ads targeted for business accounts versus family accounts. Switch language usage back and forth, all in one dynamic run with a single master template. Our rules-based feature allows you to respond immediately to effectively communicate important messaging, such as your COVID-19 policy, without depending on your IT department. Alert the homeowner that their insurance application was placed on hold until the roof was replaced, since it is more than 30 years old. You can pull external documents that are provided by your compliance department or the government directly into your output to eliminate the need for conversion. You can streamline your shipping process by printing hazard warning labels to be placed outside the box, including a return shipping label to simplify the process for you and your customers, and inserting ads and hazardous warnings under any line item of your packing slips. Inform your employees of upcoming events, such as a time management workshop, a charity fun run, or open enrollment for benefits. To see any of the highlighted features of the DocOrigin solution, contact us today for a demonstration to see how we can help your business. Call us at 1-678-408-1245 or email us at info@eclipsecorp.us. Or visit us on the web at www.eclipsecorp.us.